Good morning, 7th standard students. Today we are going to continue our CE class with a new lesson that's on cricket. You see the picture here in this text page number 24. See, this is the picture of a cricket ground, and I think all the boys must be happy. Girls, do you remember last time in 6th standard we had a talk on cricket? We had many more presentations on this topic, right? So I think all of you must be familiar. You must be knowing all the most of all the cricket stars. Those are shown in this page number 823. Okay, you can see it later. We are going to learn today on this part of cricket ground, and there are few questions which you can answer, okay, later. There are few questions which you can answer, and now you will see the words over here which we can say it right. You will have to repeat when you see it. Okay. Dead, head, death, deaf. You see, all the beginning are same. It has the sound of a sound. Dead, head, death, deaf. Now the next column, dealt, dreamt, bread, meant, feather, weather, leather, spent. Now we come to next one. Bead, beak, bean, deal. Each, east, heat, heel. Leaf, neat, read, teach. So you got all these words, and these words are familiar to you. I don't think you have any problem in reading these words. We have a poem here on your next page number 25, which says you can argue with a tennis ball but you cannot argue with a teacher. Okay, this poem is written by Ken Nesbitt. I'll send you an audio of this poem. Before that, I'll read to you this poem. Let's read the poem, okay? You can argue with a tennis ball or argue with your hat. You can argue with bananas or a broken baseball bat. You can argue with your locker. You can argue with your shoe. You can argue all day long until your face is turning blue. You can argue with football field or argue with the bleachers. But I have found it isn't very smart to argue with the teachers. Here there are no words that are difficult for you, I think. Only the word you may be finding difficult is bleachers. And bleachers means it is a place where the stadium is there, or whether it is a cricket or football stadium or wherever, it is an outside bench outside of the stadium. It is an uncovered part. Okay, that place you can or argue with those people sitting there outside the ground, but not with your teachers. Understood, children? This is the poem.